Hello again, and I will continue on how to add a feature in our training data. So first is you must be in the edited, your data must be in editing mode, and we will click add polygon feature from toolbar. So I'll just zoom this out. I'll clear the selected picture. So what I will do is I will focus on those areas that doesn't have any training data. So I'll go on this one. I don't know what are those pictures, but I'll take my best guess. Okay. For example, if I know the site, if I really know the site, like this one, this looks like a sugar cane to me. So I know the site. For example, if you really know that this is a kind of a sugar cane or sugar cane cropland, I'll just add the polygon here and make sure that you must have a boundary and right click. So I'll put 1 LC as sugar cane. For the code, I'll check first the code. The code is 82. 82. Irrigation must be 0 and ID must be 0. Okay. So here, sugarcane. Perhaps this one is also a sugarcane. This is a rice crop. So I'll put another sugarcane here. 1 sugarcane. Check again. 82. Code is 82. 00. So doesn't have any irrigation, and I'm designating 0 as my ID for convenience purposes. So that will be the sugarcane. So you just have to save them. So for in order for you to have a minimum area for a certain cropland, we will put some scale bar. View, decorations, where's that? Decorations and scale bar. I'll just leave this as default. Maybe yes, 30 meters will do, and okay. So you can see I have a scale bar here. So while you're doing your editing of training data or you're adding features, you will be somehow sure that what you are measuring or the polygon that you are adding to your map is quite big, because it doesn't really matter if you put a lot of polygons that are less than, say for example, less than 5 by 5 meter, because it so the key is you must add features that are very large, or it's either you add features that are very large in area or add features that are quite small or quite moderate in area or in hectareage but very very numerous, like this. I did is for the forest, in order to have a quality produced land use land cover type map, I put a lot of training data for the forests. Okay, I'll show you for the next slides or for the next lecture what are the tips in putting, or what are the tips that must be considered in putting those land cover and land use classes, because much of the features that you will be putting here must or are based on your knowledge on the area. So in your worksheet number 1, since you have a plan, or in your worksheet number 2, you have a map to you have a map wherein you will be able to pinpoint the areas that you will fill in for the training data. I guess you users are knowledgeable enough to fill in the data gaps that we have here for the training data of Isabella. Okay? So, now we will go to topology checking. In topology checking, you will just do is go to the vector toolbar. In my case, the topology checker is not present, so I'll check first for the plugin. If it is here, I'll just check this, and okay. So this, I think this is the topology checker. Topology checker, so vector. What I will do is just configure it, put my layer, and I think must not have invalid geometries, and add the rule. Again, do it again, and must not have gaps. So in this way, I will be able to know if my data have erroneous features or incorrect features or valid or invalid topology. So I'll just okay this, and then check, validate all. So we have a single error here, and validate extent. So we have, so it's up to you to locate it. So here it is. So what I will do is edit this again, exit the topology checker, edit this again, the training data, and select it. So I think I'll just delete that and save. Okay, and if I run it again, the topology checker, check again the okay, and okay, it must be, so it has nothing to be, so it doesn't have any error. So after running the topology, so that's all, folks, and we'll see you again to our next lectures. Thank you very much.